stars, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, please kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share. Thank you.
Okay, so today, stars, we are going to be showing you guys step by step how to make stick meats.
Yeah,
so let's go
and make stick meats.
You need just few ingredients: your tomatoes, onions, scotch bonnet, pepper, bell peppers, your protein, spices of choice, and of course stick. Start by seasoning your protein and allow it to cook for a few minutes, okay? While that's on fire, go ahead and prep your veggies into square shapes so they fit perfectly on the sticks. In a pan, fry your meat and keep that aside. After that, make your tomato sauce with spices of your choice. I used curry and chili powder. Stir and allow to fry for a few minutes, okay? Then go in with your fried meats. Mix together properly. So it's time to put the meat on the stick, stars. You can start with any bell pepper of your choice, then your meat and onion and so on. There's really no yardstick to doing it, okay? Stars, just make sure by the time you're done stacking your meat with the bell peppers and onions, it looks edible. OMG, look at the colors. This stick meat is giving.
Testing time.
Yeah, my favorite part. Okay, stars, please, if you've not subscribed, please kindly hit the subscribe button, like, share. Bye. See you guys in the next video.
Bye.
Bye.